Hello mga ka-Avengers! Magandang araw! Sa video na ito, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung saan dinadala ang mga nakokolektang basura sa lungsod ng Carmen, Agusan del Norte. At ipapakita ko rin po sa inyo kung ano yung mga bagay at proseso na ginagawa nila upang makatulong kung paano masusolusyonan ang problema sa basura. Kaya mga ka-Avengers, samahan nyo ako!
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it. To see the fun.
So ito yung mga bote. Iniipon nila yung mga bote dito. Tapos, ang gagawin nila sa mga bote, tapos, ito yung makina na